Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching. Well, this time I'd like to direct you again how to improve your speaking skill using a short story related to the use of future tense. Well, to improve your speaking skill, you must listen to me carefully and repeat after me, sentence by sentence. You should also try to memorize it and retell the story. In the end, I will ask you some questions about it. Now, please listen and repeat after me, sentence by sentence. Tomorrow morning, William will have to get up at 7 o'clock. He will wash and dress. He will eat breakfast at 7:30. After breakfast, he will go to work by bus. He will start work at 9 and work until noon. Okay? At noon, he will have dinner. After dinner, he will return to work and work until 6 o'clock. He will go home at 6:30. He gets home at 7:30. After he gets home, he will eat dinner. At 11 o'clock, he will go to bed. Do you still remember the story, please? Can you retell the story, please? Now, answer my question. Question number 1. What time will William get up tomorrow morning? Question number 2. Will he wash and dress? What time will he have breakfast? After breakfast, will he have to go to work? What time will he start work? What time will he have dinner? Will he return to his office and work again until 6 o'clock? What time will he have to go home? What time will he get home? What time will he have dinner? The last question, what time will he go to bed? What about you? What time will you have to go home? What time will you have to get up tomorrow morning? Will you have to go to work? Or will you have to go to school? Well, I hope that this video is useful for you. If you like it, you should subscribe, give comment, and share. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.